This new 2024 Ford Mustang GT Premium Fastback is in stock and available. It is powered by a 5.0-liter Ti-VCT V8 engine and a 10-speed select-shift automatic transmission. It is finished in dark matte gray metallic paint and includes premier trim with color accent group. This Mustang has 19-inch shadow silver painted aluminum wheels. The interior features black onyx leather trimmed seats. The infotainment system includes HD radio sound system with amplifier. Contact Ford to learn more about this 2024 Mustang today.